welcome to my channel. This is a Maurices haul. It's online. I had free shipping and they had a really good sale. I haven't tried them on yet. I just got them in the mail today, so let's get into it. My little dog Obi has decided to join me. He's a Maltese poop. So a Maltese and a poop. So I got blouses. Uh-oh. So there's this blouse. 3/4 sleeves. So $29. It's pretty cute. I think it's beautiful. Alright, so there's that. And it has no, like, tiny sleeves. And a zipper front. So I got two sizes on this. So here's the same shirt, zipper down front in a different size. So I'll try them on and see what I think, and then I'll just return them at the store. And one more. So here's this blouse. This one also is a zipper down front. And it's got this little slit in the back. Alright, so I'll try those on and be back for you guys. Alright, got back with the green. It's kind of on the long side. So we'll see if I end up keeping it. So this is this shirt. Alright, here's the navy blue. Here's the other one. Alright, this blouse. Alright, so I'm for sure gonna keep this blouse for sure. The navy blue one. I'll probably be taking this guy back because this was up the size of the same shirt, so I'll probably be taking that one back. Those two shirts are $26, the ones with the front zippers. These guys. 26, let's see. But I got them cheaper. So for the 4 shirts, they're $84.24. So this one I paid $23.17 for that one. And where's this one? Oh, this is the one. I paid $19.77 for this one. Okay, I see. Okay, so the blue, these two blue blouses, actually they were $17.28. So the zipper down front. So $17.28. And this olive one, yep, $23.17. But I got discounts on it. The original price on this one is $34 for this one, but I got it down to $23.17. So that's that one. And then this one was $19.77. This 3-button down. And the original price on this one is $29. Alrighty, so you guys, God bless, and until next time, have a great week. Please like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks, you guys.